using a 14 millimeter. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to loosen that. Loosen that a little bit. Just enough where you can take these out. Voila. And then, so remember, your cruise control one right here will always go to the back, and you can't really mess it up. But after you take that off, you want to kind of get this out of here, this cable. Kind of put it to the side. Put that cable to the side. Move it out of the way. These things just want to snap back at you. Get right in the way. Alright, so we got that. And there's some more connectors back here. You may have to use a pick, something like that, to unhook it. And then just separate it, because it's got a sensor going to the back here.